Let's draw a beautiful butterfly. First, draw the butterfly's head. Pink. Draw its mouth. Blue. Now, draw the butterfly's antennae. Brown. How beautiful! Now draw a long oval. This will be the butterfly's body. Draw the butterfly's wings. Blue. Violet. Red. And now, decorate it with beautiful designs. Yellow. Blue. Yellow. That's really good! What a wonderful butterfly you have made! Let's draw a bird. First, draw its body. Now, draw its belly. And its beak. Fabulous! Draw its wing. And draw its legs. Outstanding! You are doing a great job! Marvel at how your bird sings and flutters around. Play with your own drawing. Press the buttons and swipe the screen.